Y'all, I did something stupid in 2023. I spent thousands of dollars eating out. Thousands! Ugh.
I can't believe it, Jesus. I can't believe it, Jesus.
I ain't even gonna lie. I was so disappointed in myself. Like, I'm talking about disappointed to the point where all these thoughts start coming to my head. Thoughts like, you know what you could have done with that money? How stupid can you be? And I was like, whoa, 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 whoa. We don't do condemnation around here. What we do is conviction, but not condemnation. So how do you turn this mistake into a lesson? So what did I do? I went back and saw my errors and created a budget and decided to do one thing. I'm gonna cook at home. Yes, welcome to Big Eyes Kitchen. Y'all, this is where I will be cooking some of my favorite meals and dishes, like the ones I get from the restaurants. Y'all, I love to cook. And y'all probably are thinking like, so why did you eat out so much? Y'all, I work a lot. I do a lot of things. I do real estate. I do marketing. I just do a lot of things, and like my time, it's just so easy to get something so quick, right? But now that I see my bank account and how much I spent, I was like, nah, dog, you about to eat at home, huh? Now, let me tell you this. I'm gonna tell you this. If you see me at a restaurant, mind your business. Mind your business, okay? Because that means I've been cooking at home and I have earned an out at a restaurant or picked up some fast food, whatever the case may be. This is a no judgment zone, y'all. We are trying to be better. So, y'all, the reason why I'm doing this is just to make better choices, but also to build community. Maybe some of you are like me that just needs to tighten up on a few things and do things that you love to do. Like, y'all, cooking brings me joy, and you all will see it on here on Big Eyes Kitchen. So be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification button, y'all. Come join this journey with me. Like, talk to me. Are you about to make some changes? Like, what are you gonna do? Hey, send me some recipes. Maybe you have something that I wanna try. All right? So y'all, let's do this. Welcome to Big Eyes Kitchen. Peace.